Hey everybody, coming to you live from my closet. So today is September 17th and tonight it's the new moon. So for any of you astrology buffs, then you know all about the new moon and all that, woo-woo stuff. But what I read in conjunction with the new moon is it's the perfect time to clean out your closet. And over the past week or so, I've been downsizing, getting rid of stuff. I got rid of a bunch of shoes. Last week, I went live and I cleaned out my t-shirt drawer. I'm just trying to get rid of stuff. I think it's partially, quarantine related, where we're just realizing that we don't need as much stuff as we usually have. I mean, where are we going? I'm not wearing heels. I'm not wearing, tight dresses and things as much. And I also feel like I'm just going through a shift right now in my life. I have a lot of changes, a lot of stuff happening. You'll hear about it later, but things are changing. It's a new chapter. It's a new Lauren that is emerging, and I can't have the new Lauren bust on out if I have old Lauren stuff weighing me down. And it's tough as someone who edits her closet really frequently. I don't actually have a ton of stuff. When I lived in my last place, I literally had an entire bedroom devoted to my clothes and my closet. So now, living in this place, I've lived in my new house for, I guess, like a year and a half, and I only have this reach-in bedroom closet. My office, I have bookshelves set up where I have my shoes and my bags, but last weekend I restyled that to be mostly a bookshelf. So there's books and accessories and a couple of shoes. But I don't have like a ton of space and I don't need a lot of stuff. So because I audit frequently, it's not like I'm going to have trash bags of junk. The stuff that I have in my closet, I really do like. Now it's a matter of determining, am I going to wear it? And does it support the woman that I'm becoming? So I pulled out just like a couple of things that I know I'm going to get rid of. And I'll just explain to you why. So I'm going to get rid of this redone cropped camo jacket. One, I already have a camo jacket that I wear all the time. I have an off-white camo jacket that has patches on it. It's way more me. I wear it a lot more often. This is cute, but I rarely reach for it. And I feel like every outfit I put with it is like just an okay outfit. So I won't miss this when it's gone. Is it still good clothes? Yes. Will I miss it? No. Get rid of it. I'm also getting rid of this Saint Laurent denim skirt. Flies down. This skirt I bought when I was feeling like super down and I just wanted to buy something. I bought it at the Neiman's Last Call outlet in Orange County, and it was like a bajillion sizes too big, but it was super cheap and super cute. So it's since been tailored to fit me, but I don't wear it. I just don't think like a little denim mini skirt is Lauren, but it's a great brand. I can definitely consign it on the RealReal and I can make a couple bucks and get myself something that I'll actually wear. I'm also going to get rid of these little off-white lace underwear thing. I got rid of the top last week in my t-shirt drawer cleanse. So it's like a little set, a crop top, and these little underwear that are high waist. And I wore this to the Beyonce concert, obviously with like shorts on top of this, or I think jeans on top of it, just so this part was peeking out. But I know I'm not going to wear it. And I know it's off-white. I've worn it, like once. I have the top that goes with it. It will sell. It's fine. It can go. I'm also getting rid of this Stella McCartney dress. What? Oh, okay, lighting. Dress that has the little fringe on it. When I wore this dress, I felt so hot. I wore it to this movie premiere thing with my boyfriend at the time. I felt amazing in it, and it fit me perfectly, but I haven't wore it since then. And it literally came up recently as like a Facebook memory. And I was like, I wore this dress in 2016. It's 2020. I'm not wearing this again, but it's so cute. It's like sheer right here. And I also think I'm kind of afraid that if I tried it on, it would remind me that my 2016 body and my 2020 body may not be the same. But it's a great dress. It's barely worn. I'll consign it. I'll make some money. This dress, Kenzo, what are you doing in there? This kitten of mine, this cat is a human. I've fully decided that, and I'm just on board with that line of thinking. The cat is a person. This dress, it's by Mason. Super cute. Wore it to my friend's wedding, but I haven't worn it since. And she got married in, I think, 2016. So I have a pattern. In 2016, I was feeling real good about the mini dress with the long sleeve. And in 2020, I'm not wearing it. Nothing's going to come up on the calendar this year where I need to wear a dress like that. Nothing. 2020 is canceled. So by the time 2021 rolls around, I think I'll be deserving of some new dresses. Here's another one that kind of goes down that path. This one was cute. Off the shoulder. Again, it's a Michelle Mason. And then it has this little tool at the bottom. I wore this when I hosted an event with the Outnet in Chicago, and I needed to wear something from the Outnet, and I just couldn't find anything. So I just picked this. It ended up being super cute, but again, maybe that was 2017. Yeah, that was 2017. Haven't wore it since. I did shoot a television pilot a couple months ago, and then the girl that I was making over on the show, I put her in this dress. So we did get some additional use out of it, but I don't even know what's going to happen with that TV pilot. It'll probably never see the light of day. But at least the dress got some kind of use, so that is going to go as well. And then I'm also going to get rid of this white rag & bone button down. I bought this for a video shoot for my YouTube channel. Kenzo is welcome to come in. Looking in the comments. Let Kenzo in. The door's open. Kenzo's just tripping somewhere in the other room, just acting a freaking fool. But I bought this rag & bone top for a series that I did. Actually, it was for a course that I did. It was for Dress Right for Your Body Type, and I showed some snippets of it on my YouTube channel. So I had that shirt for one of the models, but I couldn't return it, and I ended up keeping it for myself. And I did get some good use out of it, but I have so many white shirts that I don't need that one. And because it's rag & bone, I need to get it cleaned. It looks like rubbing his tail against it or something. It's got like fur. But once I get it cleaned, I can make a couple bucks off of that on consignment. So I have to continue to go through my closet. I have all of these like folded things, jeans and sweaters. I know that I can get rid of some more stuff if I really, put my mind to it. I'm probably going to have a friend of mine help me, because the best way to clean out your closet is to have another set of eyes, someone who really knows you, let you know, like, no, like, you don't need that anymore. So I'm going to do a first pass myself and then come back in with a friend. But I encourage you, in the spirit of the new moon, maybe get rid of a few things in your closet and let me know how that goes. All right, signing off. hopefully this IG Live saves because I did one this morning and it did not. So thanks for tuning in and have a wonderful day.